Hello, GHS or anyone watching this on YouTube. This is Mr. Tharp. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download Screencastify, and then I'm going to show you how to use it to record your first video. This is pretty simple, but make sure you follow along. If you need to pause the video and then do what I'm doing and then go back and forth by playing it, that's the best way to do it when it comes to video, so that you can just do it step by step. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new tab and search for the Chrome store, and we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. Now I am signed up right here, so I should be good. So I'm going to search for Screencastify. Okay, here it is right here. This is an extension, which is what we want. So I'm going to click Add to Chrome. I'm going to hit Add Extension. So right here it says Screencastify Screen Video Recorder has been added to Chrome. Sounds good. So now let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, so step one, sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. So you guys will now save it to your gpsmi.us account. So here's the setup. I'm going to give it permission for my camera and my microphone and to draw and annotate. So I'll hit next. And then it's asking me now to use my microphone or camera. I'll hit allow. Pause that. So it says done. You are ready to record. Now I think when you guys do this, this will pop up and it'll be all black, like it's being blocked, because it's from YouTube and our server blocks it. But once you're there, you're all set. So we have installed Screencastify. Now let's go up here and click on it. And we have Screencastify Lite. So we can just record a browser tab. We can record our whole desktop, or we can do webcam only. Our microphone is on. If you have multiple ones, you can do that. For instance, I could use that one. You can embed your webcam if you want to have it. Let's see. Okay, so it can pick which one to do. And then I can hit record. So I'm going to be recording while I'm trying to record. We'll see how it goes. So then I hit record. So now you see me in the bottom right down here because I'm showing my webcam, and I can do my whole screen or an application window. So I'm going to do my whole screen.
3, 2, 1.
So I think the best way to do this is to do slides. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So I have believe in yourself or nobody else will. So I could make this look really nice, and then I could talk about it and explain why I picked this as my growth mindset or my slogan that I want to have this year, and adopted it. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit stop. So right away it will start playing that video. It's going to upload it right to your Google Drive. So once you get to this part, it has already been uploaded to your Google Drive to use. You can allow others to make a comment, and then you can either copy the link if you wanted to send it, or you can view it on your drive. But it's already done. So let's view it on my drive. So they're processing the video right now, so it takes a little bit. But that's it. So I just made a webcam video with my webcam, but I made a Screencastify video, recorded whatever was going on my screen. So you can go here to the end, and you can see what I just did has been recorded and uploaded to Google Drive. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is you want to make this look good when you record it. So I'm going to hit hide here. Okay. Now, if you're doing a Google presentation, you don't want to see all this around here. So I'm going to go to present as soon as I turn on my Screencastify, and now I will talk about why I chose this growth mindset, or if you're doing a history project later, you're explaining why you're answering this question from your roadmap. So make sure it looks good. Don't just make your video and have this sitting here and pop-ups all around covering your screen. You guys have small Chromebooks, so you want to make sure that you're using all of your area to actually show your presentation. So take some pride in the final product that you're turning in or showcasing later, and make sure you're showing your whole screen, full screen, without anything in the way when you make your Screencastify. So that should answer all your questions today. We downloaded Screencastify, and then I showed you how to make a video using it. So if you guys need any help that your teachers can't help you with, feel free to email me and I will try to help you out. That's all for today. Enjoy your time in your classroom. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.